I've got a Natalie Attired for you today. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Take just a minute to click the subscribe button down below and be sure and click the little bell icon because that way they will send you an email or a notification on YouTube so you don't miss anything. And if you love unboxings and you particularly like fashion, I also do Stitch Fix, and I've got even a thrift box that my daughter sends me, which is super cool and super neat. So be sure and subscribe so you don't miss any of that. If you don't know how Natalie Attired works, you pay a $20 styling fee. When you sign up with Natalie Attired, you give them your credit card information, and each month or 2 months or 3 months, however you set it up, when they send out your box, they'll deduct a $20 stylist fee from your account. However, if you buy anything, you get the $20 taken off of your total so that you get it back. It ends up being the styling fee is free if you don't. The styling fee is free if you buy something. Then if you buy everything in your box, you get a 25% discount off the total. Ends up being a really good deal if you love everything. What I liked about Natalie Attired in particular is that they asked to see a picture of your face, and then they asked to see a picture of your entire body in an outfit that you love. You also give your sizes and your price ranges and all the different things that you love, and you click on outfits that you like more than others. So they really set it up in a way that makes it very convenient for them to help you find something you like. The benefit to this kind of a service, this kind of a subscription box service, is that someone else, A, does the coordinating for you. They hunt out and find things they think will look good on you. Of course, the downside of that is if you have very particular taste, this won't be for you. But if you're open to trying things and you're like me, you don't have time to shop, these things are perfect for that. I try them on in the comfort of my own home. I send back whatever I don't like. It couldn't be simpler. Got a little note. Hi, Michelle. I think you'll love these capris. They fit like the jeans in your last collection. The kimono will look great with the gray and white striped top and the jade top. All three tops will also look really cute with your jeans from the last collection. And it looks like I have a stylist named Renee. So thanks, Renee. You watching my video? You knowing what I like? And then it comes with your price sheet so you know how much everything is costing you. And I said it was 25% off, but I was wrong. It's 20. Stitch Fix is 25% off. And then it comes with your prepaid envelope. You stick whatever you don't like, and you send it right back. Could not be simpler. Let's see what I've got. What I do like about Natalie Attired, as last week they did this. They sent me a set, a shirt with kind of a jacket, it was a vest last month, it was a month ago. They sent them together so that I already know how they come paired. This I absolutely adore. This is a kimono, as she mentioned. It is something that I would not normally pick for myself. It's a very light fabric, very fluttery sleeves. I would never ever go for a kimono, but this actually looks so cute. I think I'm gonna like it. I wish I knew a song to sing right now. I'm sure there is one. Oh, and look at this super cute shirt. On the back is these eyelets. It's got a little open spot right here, a little button here, but it's all the way down the back like that. But then the front is just a normal green with these little fluttery sleeves. I really, really like this. Lovely color. And these two together I think will be super cute. So what else do we have in here? Okay, a striped t-shirt. I feel like I have enough striped t-shirts. Don't know, maybe I'll love it on. The back is really, really cute. Again, it's more of this, kind of a springy material. This, again, kind of an eyelet material. Slightly different than eyelet because it's actually squares. And then in the front, there's a little knot, which makes this a super standout piece. Oh, these kinds of shirts are my favorite. I have 3 or 4 of them. They're just super simple. They're plaid. They have buttons here. They're usually a V-cut neck. Give it a little sex appeal, but not too sexy, if you know what I'm saying. And then button-ups here. So I absolutely love this. This is a thinner material than some of my other ones, so it actually would be good to carry me into spring. I will be hard-pressed to send that back. And the capris that she mentioned, just like the one she sent me last month, which I wear every single day, wash, then rewear. These are, they look like capris, and I think she said they were capris in a light blue here. And the fit of these was what I loved about them. They were super comfortable and just relaxed fit. They didn't fit tight. They curved my hugs, but not so much that I felt like I was showing everything. Just super comfortable. Look forward to these. Okay, and that was Natalie Attired. Tell me below what you think I should keep, what should look good together, how I should wear it. Tell me everything you think. I need help with my fashion, and that's why you should subscribe to me, because I need your help. Also, if you really enjoy these unboxings, I do these every month, so you won't want to miss that.